Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Michael from Michael's Mobile Detailing, and I'm here to help you grow your detailing business. This channel has lots of great content on how to detail, lots of tips, tricks, tutorials. Today I'm going to share with you 5 powerful ways to grow your detailing business. More importantly, I'm going to show you my secret weapon. If used carefully and safely, you can dominate your detailing business in the most affluent neighborhoods. Trust me, you do not want to miss this one. Let's jump in. Today I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways to increase your business and attract new customers. But more importantly, I'm going to show you my secret weapon, a weapon that helps you dominate the most affluent, high-end neighborhoods in your district. You'll be dominating these areas when your competition are miles away. Step number 1 in my 5-step plus bonus material, steps to increasing your business, is word of mouth. Word of mouth is essential for a successful detailing business, but I take it one step further. I create a buzz. If I have a slow day, a day where there's no bookings, I will move my detailing van and set up at one of the busiest locations that I can find, usually a big townhouse complex, a big apartment complex, somewhere where there's affluent people and higher end customers. I'll park my van in a prominent area in the visitor parking lot, somewhere where there's lots of traffic, and I'll detail one of my own cars. That's right, just for show. I'll set up one of my own cars, kind of as a showcase of what I do, and I'll start detailing. Usually in a matter of minutes, people will approach you. Oh, you're a detailer. Can I get some more information? Next thing you know, you're giving them a business card. They'll ask you what your schedule is like, and you tell them, I can detail it right now. You want to catch those people right away. Don't give them any chance to say no. Don't give them any chance to change their mind. It's all about impulse shopping, impulse buying. You could have the best website in the world for detailing, but when people are actually watching you do what you do on the street, it creates a buzz. To be successful, you need to jump on those details right away. It is not fair for you or the customer, and it's not economically viable to book them 3 weeks Wednesday. It gives the customer too much time to have consumer remorse, to change their mind. The weather could change, something should come up. It takes weeks, months, and years for cars to get dirty. They're in no hurry for you to come and clean it. There's one thing about people having their cars cleaned is the neighbors. There is jealousy. A neighbor cannot stand that you are having your car cleaned. They want theirs just as clean, if not cleaner. And that's my first tip. My second step in attracting new customers is a Google My Business profile. You need to, if you haven't already, set yourself up with a Google My Business profile. Upload photos, before and afters of what you do. Put a great description of who you are and how you do your business. Post some before and after pictures. With your My Google Business profile, that's where you're going to receive and promote your 5-star ratings. You need to get as many 5-star ratings as you can quickly to establish yourself and make your business show up on when people searching detailing near me. Don't forget to post regular updates to keep your business ranking showing up on the pages. And that is step number 2, establish a My Google web presence. Step number 3 in my 5 ways of attracting new customers. Social media. Social media is not just for fun. It is a great business tool, and if you're not using it, you are missing out. Post before and after photos on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. People love that stuff. They eat it up. Film short videos explaining what you do, showing your process. Use local hashtags to drive attention to your business. Engage with your viewers, respond to comments, build trust. People love seeing results, and this is your chance to showcase what you do. Step number 4 of my 5 ways of attracting customers is your personal appearance and branding. Your business needs to look the part if you're going to attract high-end customers. Your detailing van, truck, car, trailer, whatever you use should be branded with your brand. Big letters identifying what you do. My van, for instance, is a moving billboard. It's 12 by 18 feet on 2 sides and 10 by 10 on the other. It is a moving billboard. People see it, They take pictures of it. I have QR codes on it. It's clearly labeled what I do, where I service. Everywhere I go, people see my business and my phone number. With branding and looking professional, wear your own branded clothes. If you're at a trade show and Rupus gives you a shirt, don't wear that detailing. Wear your own company. Promote your own company. Look the part. Don't wear a football jersey to a detail. Your customer doesn't care about your sports team. All they want is your car that's clean, and you need to instill trust in them. Dress for success. Wear company branded shirts, hats, jackets. Look sharp. A uniform lets you stand out. You look professional. You look expensive, and people are prepared to pay more money. Step number 5 in my 5 ways of increasing your business and attracting new customers is paid ads. Paid ads like Facebook. I'm not talking Marketplace. I'm talking Facebook AdSense and Google AdWords, I believe it's called, or Google AdSense. I use both, and I use them to my advantage, and I'll tell you how. I treat my advertising accounts like a water tap. I turn them on and off as I need and as I want. If you have a slow week coming up, turn the tap on. Let the ads flow. Once you've got a few bookings in and your schedule's full, turn the ads off. There's no sense paying for it when you don't need it. I run my Google ads and Facebook ads during business hours. I'm trying to attract phone calls. If I'm running my ads all night, like the automatic settings will have you do, I only have the ads running when I can physically answer the phone or want to answer the phone. I keep separate ad campaigns, for one for just general detailing and one for my higher end services like paint correction and ceramic coatings. Again, turn the ads on when you have openings, turn them off when you don't. I don't like booking customers in advance. It gives them way too much time to change their mind. I prefer to book them in right away while their interest is still high and get them in before they can change their mind. That was my 5 ways of attracting new customers. Now, this is number 6. This is a secret sauce. This is a bonus for you. If you're a business-minded, business savvy, you're going to really appreciate this. And it's the moment you've been waiting for. You stuck it out to the end. This is my secret weapon that lets me dominate high-end neighborhoods. Here's the thing. Most detailers will set up a Google My Business page like we talked about and attach it to their home address. Because you need an address, a physical address, where Google is going to mail you a business card or a postcard that has a code on it. They mail you this card, you receive it at your address. The card has a 5-digit code on it that you need to input back to Google to activate your business account. And you can only do this if you own the physical address or rent the physical address. What I do is I decide which areas I want to dominate in my detailing business. And that generally is higher end residents, people with a little bit more money. You're going to get more of the Bentleys and BMWs and less of the Honda Civics. And these people seem to have a little bit more money. To spend $500 or $1,000 on a detail is no sweat. How do you get into those neighborhoods, and how do those people find you? Well, a customer in a high-end neighborhood is just like any other customer. They go on Google and they type in detailers near me, and then there's the list. I create a Google My Business address for my mobile detailing business in the highest end neighborhoods. I use a post office box or a UPS store, and I establish my business there, pretty much in the backyards of these wealthy people. Strategically picking areas where wealthy people will typically look for details. As I said, Google requires you to verify the address, and you can with a post office box. Once I'm verified, my business now shows up as residing in these high-end neighborhoods. Some of my competition are well-known, well-established, multi-year, some of them over a decade old detailing companies that when my customer Googles a detailer near me, I show up 2 kilometers away where the other companies might be 10 kilometers away. Who are they going to pick? Simply put, when a $1 million neighborhood looks for a detailer, I pop up as if I was in their backyard, even if my detailing van is elsewhere. Meanwhile, my competitors, they don't know this trick. They've been established for years at their industrial locations. And guess what? Rich clients want convenience. They'll pick whoever's ever closest. That is my secret weapon. And there you have it, my 5 proven ways of increasing customer base, plus my secret weapon to dominate any neighborhood. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more, hit subscribe. Till the next one.